Hey traders, today we are trying out a new scalping strategy with the engulfing candlestick on the 5-minute chart. You have two types of engulfing candles, the bullish and the bearish one. So let's see how the bullish engulfing candle works. As you see here in the picture, here we have a bullish engulfing candle, which means that the green candle's body after the red candle engulfs the complete body of the previous red candle. So you will have to wait until the green candle closes to take an entry. We have to ignore the wick. We are just gonna need the body to check if it's completely engulfed. The bullish engulfing pattern often triggers a reversal of an existing trend as more buyers enter the market and drive prices up further. With my previous videos, you might know that I only trade with the current trend, especially when I'm scalping. So in an uptrend I go long and in a downtrend I go short. To easily see in which trend we are going to add the EMA 200. If the price is above the EMA, we are in an uptrend, and if the price is below, we are in a downtrend. So let's add the indicator. In indicators we are gonna look, search for EMA, moving average exponential. And it's gonna be this one, EMA 9 close. Let's change the settings to 200. Same as chart, yes. So now we can see that the blue line, let's make it red, it's a bit more efficient. So when the price is above the EMA, it's an uptrend, and when it's below it, like here, it's a downtrend. So what we also want to add is a engulfing indicator. So let's look for engulfing. There are quite a lot of it. We're just gonna do the most used, the engulfing candle indicator. So it will tell us when to short and when to long. So as we can see here, it gives a green arrow below it. So that means we should long here. And when the red arrow is above, the red candle engulfs the green one, or the blue one here. Then we go below. I'm a bit colorblind, so I think this is blue, but I'm not totally sure. So for this indicator, when the green arrow is showing, we can only take long positions when we are above the EMA, so we can ignore the red arrows, like triangles. So we only take long positions here. As you can see, it works quite often, not always. There's not an indicator that always works, so keep that in mind. You also take losses, okay? Here we have a good entry, and you enter the trade when the candle closes. Then we know that it's engulfed. So we would enter in this candle, and the faster you are, the better, but yeah, you would take the profit anyway. It's wrong here, it's right here, it's wrong here. It's also sketchy, always sketchy to play on the EMA because there might be a big trend reversal. But there's one more thing to have better profits. What I always like to do is to have three, when we are in an uptrend, to have three red candles after each other, and then one green engulfing candle. So like here, we have at least 3 red candles. It's called the 3-line strike pattern, which is always used for the engulfing indicator. So the green one here is engulfing the red one, and we have more than 3 red candles, so we would take an entry here, like here. What we want to do is check how big this candle is, like it's 11%, so 0.11, we go to 0.22, double the last candle, and then go 1.5 or 2, that's whatever you like. For this indicator, I normally do 2 risk reward, but 1.5 is fine as well. You have a bigger chance to win it. So we will not take an entry here because we don't have 3 red ones. We don't take one here. We don't take one here. We took one here. We don't take one here. We take one here. So because we have more than 3 red candles. Enter trade here. How big is this one? So we go 0.26. And 2. So you would have lost this one. So we have 50-50%. So we would lose. We would still be in a profit, you know. Okay, let's look further. If this one was engulfed, it would be insane. Okay. So again here, 3 red candles, 1 engulfed green candle. So we will take a long position right here. Check how big this one is. It's 0.26 again. So it's exactly on the EMA, which is great. And then we go to 2. So another profit. Let's look for one more. Yeah, we have one more. 3 red candles, long position. Try to enter as fast as possible. 0.05, so we go 10, 2, and a win again. Here, same again, long position. This is gonna be the last one as an example. So go 14, go 2. And this one would have hit, yeah, with a bit of luck. So that's why I mean 1.5 is often also pretty safe to do. You still have nice profits. But yeah, it would have hit anyway. Also if you use 2. I want to keep showing it, but okay, I guess you get the point. So let's check some downtrend momentums with the engulfing candles. Let's see if you can take some short positions. For example, we have here 1, 2, 3 green candles and 1 engulfing candle after the last green candle. So we can take a short position for the next candle. Let's take the stop loss of the height of the candle times 2. So this is 0.12%. So we go to 0.24. And risk reward 2. This was a nice one. Let's go for the next one. We have one here. See if we can make this one. Entry here. 9, 18. Didn't hit here. But we are quite lucky there. So this one is fine as well. No, not 3. Here we have 3 candles again. Short position, take entry here. This one times 2, this is 0.4. And 2 risk reward. We didn't hit this one. If you took 1.5, you also didn't hit it. So that's unlucky. You can't win them all, like I said. This one, well, you would have easily hit this one if you took an entry here. So that's great. Here you didn't hit it, because you got stopped out here. But I hope you guys get the point. If it's not clear, just let me know in the comments. I'm gonna do a test now. I want to test this 100 times and see what the results are and check if it's better than the last video. So yeah, I'm gonna skip forward. You can put it on slow motion. I hope you like it, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and to like the video if you liked it. So as you can see, we have a profit of 56%. That's pretty good if you ask me. And this is completely because of our high risk rewards ratio. It's 2. So yeah, 56, not bad at all, not bad.